Hello, kumusta? So, tinutuloy ko 'tong mga videos, maghahalo-halo yan either minsan mahaba, minsan kaunti lang, short lang. And this one, ang goal ko short lang talaga. So, ang tanong na gusto nating sagutin ngayon, ano yung mas magandang kwento? So, the goal is not to prove. Wala pa tayo dun sa ano yung totoo. Dun lang tayo sa ano yung mas maganda. Ano yung kung meron mang realidad na totoo, ano sa dalawa yung maganda na oo, ito talaga yung totoo. Na maganda na ito sana yung totoo. So, there are two forces na kiniklaim ngayon kung saan tayo nagmula. The first one is yung evolution. Ito yung mga tinuturo sa schools na we came from stardust, from non-living things, naging living things tayo. And from bacteria to humanity. So, yun yung kumbaga natural flow daw yun ng universe. The other one is yung Christian teaching ng creation na tayo ay nang pasimula ay wala. We don't exist, but God in His love created the universe. Likha niya yung mundo at tayong mga tao. And in the description, yung mundo, good, it was good. But dun sa huling araw ng creation, on the sixth day, nalikha yung tao. Si Adan at si Eva, lalaki at babae. When they were created, they were described as very good. So sa evolution, go with the flow. Ito yung nature, go ka dyan. Dire-diretso ka from stars na napunta sa Earth o nabuo yung Earth. Yung planets, nagkaroon ng water, ng land, ng plants, ng bacteria, ng living things, ng fish, ng monkey, and then humanity. Ayun yung kwento ng evolution. So ang buhay pala natin, coincidentally ay nag-exist because of this what they call process of evolution. However, sa creation, ang turo is ito yung Diyos, pinakamatalino sa lahat, wise, gumawa siya ng mundo. Itong mundo na ating ginabibilangan ngayon. And bawat part ng mundong yun may purpose. Yung sun, yung moon, yung stars, may mga purpose yan. Yung mga animals, yung mga plants, yung water, and yung humanity, yung animals, yung fish, yung birds, yung mga naglalakad. Those creatures have their own purpose. And iba-iba rin yung purpose nila. So, dun sa dalawang kwento, make a comparison which makes sense. Ano yung mas may sense? And dun pa lang, argument based on sense, which makes sense. Masasabi mo na hindi mangmang yung mga Kristiyano. Na, yes, naniwala lang yan kasi sabi-sabi. No, ikumpara mo lang yung kwento. Kumpara mo yung kwento ng evolution na you exist, nandito ka kasi bunga ka ng nature, ng mga produkto na through the process ay ayan na, ikaw na. However, sa creation, you are here because God created you and He has a purpose. May purpose siya para sa'yo. Which is better? Which story is better? Sa Christianity, clear, very clear. Creation. The story of creation is better. It makes us grow. It makes us strive for good because we are created in God's image and we have a purpose na dapat nating tuparin. But if we are just natural products of the evolution process, then the next thing is to wait. Let's just wait for the next level. Ano ang sunod sa tao? Are we gonna evolve for something better or worse? We don't know. Because we're just a product of the natural process. Dito pa lang, I cannot be convinced by the doctrine of evolution. Especially yung doktrina ng Darwinian evolution. Yun lang. Magandang araw sa inyo and sana nakapag-isip kayo. I hope this question made you think. This video made you think. Oo nga no. Mas may sense ang creation. O kaya, oo nga no. Ba't ako naniniwala sa evolution? Ito pala yung underlying principle ng evolution kung totoo man siya. Ito naman yung underlying principle ng creation. So yun. At sa mga Kristiyano, ito. Hindi dapat natin maliitin yung creation. We should be thinking about it. Thinking that God made us for a purpose, and yung purpose na yun is para luwalhatiin siya at sundin yung nais niya para sa atin. Yun lang. Feel free to engage. Feel free to share. And if you have disagreements, we would welcome you in an honorable relaying of our disagreements. Yun yung mas kailangan natin sa panahon na ito. Yun lang. Have a good day ulit sa inyo. Salamat.